Today's practice is all about mobility and freedom, moving with self-compassion, giving your spine room to breathe and unwind. My name is Michelle, and let's begin in tabletop position.
Allow yourself to feel through the spine, strong, fluid, and free. On the inhale, send the crown of the head in tailbone to the sky. Exhale, rounding out the back. And inhale, pulling the shoulder blades towards one another. Exhale, feel that space between the shoulder blades. Inhale, feeling through the back. And exhale, rounding out the back. One more here. Inhale, heart forward and out. And exhale, pull the navel to the spine. Gently back to center. Let's find some circular movement here. So just moving that energy through the body. Feeling through the sides of the body. Just noticing that movement through the spine. And we can reverse that. So allowing ourselves to feel. No judgment. Being mindful of our movement. And gently back to center. So pressing into that left hand, we'll send that right arm to the sky. So twisting from above that navel. Inhale. Exhale, just a gentle twist here. And again. Inhale. Exhale. Last one here. Pull that right shoulder back. Inhale. Exhale, send that arm all the way through, releasing that right shoulder towards the mat. For a deeper stretch, pressing into that left hand, finding a deeper twist for that spine. And inhale. Exhale, and allowing yourself to settle into your hips, also into those shoulders, and settling into that back. And again, inhale. And exhale. We'll gently make our way back up. Pressing into that left hand, send that right arm to the sky. Inhale. Exhale, release that right hand. Pressing into that right hand, left arm to the sky. Inhale. Exhale, gentle twist. Bring that attention to the spine. Inhale. And exhale. And inhale, pulling that left shoulder back. Exhale, release that left shoulder completely to the mat. Pressing into that right hand, finding a deeper twist. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Pressing into that right hand, left arm to the sky. Inhale. Exhale, gently release back to tabletop. Tuck those toes under, send your hips up high into your first down dog. Maybe pedaling through those feet. Looking for length in the spine, neck in line with the spine. We'll rise to the balls of the feet, making a wave with the body, releasing the hips towards the earth. Inhale, send your hips up high. Gently begin to shift forward. Exhale, releasing hips towards the mat. Maybe coming onto those knees, maybe knees are off the mat. Let's reverse that motion. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, hips are high. Raise the hips high. Inhale. Exhale, moving through that wave. Release the hips forward. Release into child's pose. Gently back to tabletop. Tuck the toes under. Send your hips up high. Let's do that one more time. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, child's pose. Knees forward, tuck the toes under, send your hips up high. One last time. Inhale, rise. Exhale, lower. Inhale. Exhale, child's pose. Notice what you're feeling through the back. Tuck those toes under, knees forward, inhale, and exhale. Right leg to the sky, three-legged dog, inhale. Exhale, step the foot through to the hands. Find high lunge. Inhale. And exhale. Easy twist, right arm to the sky. Inhale. And exhale, release that left knee down. Find your lateral stretch, left arm by the ear. Notice the stretch through the left side of the body. Inhale. And exhale. Release that right knee back. Tuck those toes under, send your hips up high. Down dog. Inhale, rolling forward. Exhale, release. Inhale, Cobra or Updog. Exhale, child's pose. Back through center, tuck the toes under. Inhale, exhale, down dog. Inhale, left leg to the sky. Exhale, step the foot through to the hands. Find high lunge here. Inhale. Exhale, release. Find your easy twist. Inhale. Exhale, release that right knee. Finding your lateral stretch here. Inhale. Exhale, back to center. Release that left knee back. Tuck those toes under, send your hips up high, down dog. Deep bend in those knees, walk, step, or jump feet to those hands. Working through vertebrae by vertebrae, slowly rolling up 8 counts. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Arms overhead. Inhale. Exhale. Up and over to that right side. Feel through that left side of the body. Back through center. Inhale. Exhale, up and over to that left side. Back through center. Inhale. Exhale. Forward fold. Halfway up. Inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Slowly roll up. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale. Shoulders forward. Exhale, down and back. Inhale, arms overhead. Exhale, up and over to that right side. Space between shoulders and ears. Back through center. Inhale. Exhale. Lateral stretch to the left. Back through center. Inhale. Exhale. Gentle forward fold. Halfway up. Inhale. Exhale, release. Forward fold. Bend in those knees, rolling up. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, shoulders forward. Exhale, down and back. Growing in length through that spine. Inhale, arms overhead. Exhale, up and over. Right side. Through center. Inhale. Press away from the earth. Exhale. To the left. Back through center. Inhale. Maybe a gentle lean back. Exhale, take your forward fold. Halfway up. Inhale. Exhale, release. Forward fold. Release the hips behind you. Find your version of chair pose. Reaching those arms ahead. Inhale. Exhale, hands to heart center. Let's find our prayer twist here. Maybe releasing left elbow to the outside of the right thigh. Maybe releasing one hand to the back, left hand to the outside of the right thigh. And deepen breath. And exhale. That twist comes from above the navel. Let's find it on the other side. Inhale. Exhale, back to center. Engage the legs. Inhale, exhale, forward fold. Halfway up. Inhale. And exhale, release. Maybe plank, maybe tabletop or hovering tabletop. Inhale. Exhale, release the knees, gently release that chest. Find your Cobra or Updog. Inhale. Exhale, down dog, hips are high. Deepen breath. Exhale, release the knees to the mat. Walk those knees forward, coming onto those sit bones. Forward, inhale, exhale, gently make your way down. You're pressing into those feet, knees are stacked over those ankles, pressing into those hands. Inhale, send the hips high. Exhale, gently roll down. Again, just working through each vertebrae, feeling through that back. Inhale. Hips are high. Exhale, release. On the next one, let's send the arms overhead. Inhale, engage the legs. Exhale, release. Inhale, and exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more here. Inhale. Exhale, stay there, releasing the arms by your side. Maybe shimmying those shoulders towards one another. Maybe clasping those hands, pressing away from the earth. Deeper in the stretch. And inhale. Exhale. And 1 more here. Inhale. Exhale, releasing those hands. Gently releasing to the back. Let's bring those knees towards heart center. Maybe releasing those knees towards the shoulders. Maybe some gentle sways. And just noticing how the spine feels after working through that movement. Releasing the feet to the mat. Send your hips a few inches to that left side, dropping your knees to the right. Finding your supine twist here. Settling into the right side of the body. Inhale and exhale. And gently make your way back through center. Send your hips a few inches to that right side, dropping your knees to the left. Arms wherever you would like to place them. Breathing into that right side. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale gently back to center. Release those knees towards the chest, sending the head towards the knees. Inhale, exhale, release. Settling into the back side of the body, find your version of Shavasana. Maybe releasing a hand to the heart, maybe other hand just below that navel. Let's breathe into the hands here. Inhale and exhale. Bring that focus into heart space, embracing self-love, self-compassion, self-acceptance. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Gently releasing the hands, finding movement in hands and feet, fingers and toes. When you feel ready, bringing the feet flat, finding some gentle sways. Making your way to your side of choice, take that pause. Making your way up into your version of easy seat. Inhale, sending the arms overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. Carry that freedom in that space that you've created today with you off the mat. Grateful to our bodies for allowing us to move into practice. I'm grateful to share this practice with you. The light within me acknowledges the light within you. Thank you for practicing with me today. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and/or comment below. I would love to connect with you. Follow me for more flows like this. Have a beautiful day.